In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Opera browser. This process is straightforward and will help you access your personalized settings and bookmarks. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Opera browser. You can do this by locating the Opera icon on your desktop or in your applications menu. The icon typically looks like a red O surrounded by a white background. Once you click on it, the browser will launch, displaying your home page or the last page you visited. This initial step is critical because having the browser open is where all your subsequent actions will take place. Once it's up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you will click the profile icon located in the top right corner of the browser toolbar. Depending on your setup, this icon may appear as a gray silhouette of a person or as an avatar if you've previously set one. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various options related to your account. This step is important because it directs you to the account management features of the browser. You should see the profile menu drop down, confirming that you are on the right track. After that, look for the blue Sign In button within the pop-up menu that appears. This button is prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking on it will initiate the sign-in process, allowing you to connect your Opera account. This action is necessary because it prepares you to enter your login credentials or choose an alternative login method. You'll see a brief loading animation as the sign-in interface appears, giving you a sense that everything is working correctly. Now it's time to enter your Opera email and password. Alternatively, you can choose to authenticate using Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you prefer to use your email, type it in the designated field, followed by your password. Make sure to double-check your entries to avoid any typos, as incorrect information will prevent you from signing in. This step matters because it ensures your personal data is secure and accessible only to you. If you decide to use social media for authentication, simply click on the respective icon and follow the prompts. Finally, select Sign In to instantly begin syncing your browser data. This button is usually at the bottom of the login form. By clicking it, you will connect your Opera account, allowing your bookmarks, settings, and other preferences to synchronize across all devices where you use Opera. This not only saves you time, but also ensures a seamless browsing experience. Once you click the button, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully signed in. This reassurance lets you know that you are all set to enjoy your personalized browsing experience. Now you have completed the sign-in process to the Opera browser. Remember, keeping your account secure is crucial, so always log out if you're using a public computer. This small precaution can save you a lot of trouble later. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.